Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about your tornado survival plan. Now, some of you are going to say, well, I don't need to worry about that. Well, currently you don't, but you never can tell when Mother Nature is going to change things up with the weather. I've seen this couple of these different videos on a tornado that was hitting on the top of a mountain. That's something tornadoes don't usually do, but they have a video of it. Several different people recorded it. So, in any case, if you think you're going to need a tornado survival plan, you need to work on it. You need to do everything you need to do to get it done. Now, there are several steps you can take in doing your tornado survival plan. And that is some of the things you're going to do to mitigate the effects of it beforehand and to have something in place for survivability after it happens. So just as an example, part of your plan could be a timeline of things to do to get ready for one, including saving money and getting a tornado shelter, digging a root cellar where you can set up a little bunker type room where you can go to, and having the proper insurance and all the things that goes along with surviving a tornado and the aftermath thereof. So think about it. Figure out if you're in an area that is likely to get a tornado, and what do you need to do with the current home you're in to survive one. And then write it up, come up with response actions and things that you can do, and have little drills of what you're going to do so the entire family knows what they're supposed to do when a tornado comes. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month and try to grow food outdoors and indoors. Right now, in parts of the country, it's very hot. So now's the time to practice trying to grow stuff in extreme temperatures. All right? Definitely grow something.